Welcome everyone. Today's tutorial is all about discovering the best IPTV service, 2TV.store. Are you tired of expensive cable bills and limited channel options? Let's change that today. With 2TV.store, you can enjoy numerous channels, movies, and shows all in one place. Don't worry, you can even start with a free trial. So let's dive into the sign-up process. First, visit 2TV.store using any web browser on your device. It's simple and user-friendly. Next, click on the Sign Up button to start your journey towards fantastic entertainment options. Now, fill out the required information in the sign-up form and check the free trial option. Once you've made your selection, submit the form and await your activation email to begin streaming. After activation, you will receive instructions on downloading the app for your device. Installing the app is quick. Follow the prompts and get ready to explore your favorite entertainment. Now, log into the app using the credentials you created during sign-up and start watching. Enjoy your free trial and remember to explore all the amazing features offered by 2TV.store.